In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage counterparties and contacts in Zoho Contracts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add organizations you work with, review their associated agreements, and manage the people who negotiate or sign on their behalf. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. When the results load, click the official Zoho website to proceed. If you use Zoho regularly, consider bookmarking the page so you can get back here quickly next time. Next, log in with your Zoho account. Make sure you're signing in to the correct organization and region your team uses. If your company has single sign-on enabled, follow your usual login process. Once you're in, you'll see the Zoho app launcher. From the list of apps, choose Contracts. This takes you into the Zoho Contracts workspace. If you plan to use it frequently, pin it or add it to your favorites for quicker access. Now, head to the Counterparties tab. Think of counterparties as the companies or legal entities you contract with. This is separate from individuals. You'll manage people as contacts linked to each counterparty. To add a new organization, click Add Counterparty. Enter the organization's name and fill in any relevant details your team tracks, such as the legal name, website, and address. Use consistent naming conventions to avoid duplicates and add only accurate information you can maintain over time. When everything looks right, save your changes. To review the agreements tied to a specific organization, open that counterparty and select the Contracts tab in the Details panel. Here you'll see both historical and active agreements associated with them. Use this view to quickly understand the relationship history, check what's active, and prepare for renewals or audits. If filters or sorting are available, use them to zero in on what you need. If you need to update or remove a counterparty, return to the list view and click the More icon, the 3 dots, next to the counterparty's name. From there, choose to modify their information or remove them. Be cautious when removing entries, especially if there are contracts linked to that organization, as it can affect reporting and record continuity. If removal isn't available, review any linked contracts first. Contacts are the individuals assigned to a counterparty who participate in negotiations or signing. To manage them, select a counterparty and open the Contacts tab in the Details panel. Click Add Contact, then provide the person's name and email address before saving. Double-check the email for accuracy, use a professional address when possible, and remember you can add additional contacts later as your relationship grows. That's it. You've learned how to navigate Zoho Contracts, add and manage counterparties, review their agreements, and set up contacts for smooth collaboration.